Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add moderator in EverWebinar. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it actually helps me out. So one of the easiest steps and a simple way to add moderator to your EverWebinar is to log into your webinar account. Then step 2, you have to go to your webinar dashboard, and then step 3, you have to select the webinar where you want to add a moderator. Then step 4, click on the edit or the settings option for that webinar. Then step 5, you have to navigate to the moderator section. Then step 6, click add moderator. Then step 7, enter the moderator's name or an email address. Enter the name and the email address, then save changes. And that's it. Your moderator will now receive login details to access the webinar as a moderator. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.